horizontal axis is called the x-axis, left to right. The vertical line is called the y-axis, going up and down. The point where the x-axis and y-axis intercepts is called the origin. A function is when the x or y does not repeat. Like, for example,
a table where this is x, this is y, and then this is 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 3 and 6, and then 4 and 8. None of them repeat, so it is a function.
a non-function is when x or y does repeat. For example,
The y across the x-axis, it's where 1 repeated, so that makes it a non-function.
as you can see, these are functions, and you might think that this one is not a function, but as you can see, this is a -3 and this is a +3, and -3 is not the same as +3, so that what makes the chart a function, and this is a non-function because as you can see, -2 and -2 on the x-axis, they both repeat, so that's why it's not a non-function.
And then for this one, neither of the x or the y-axis repeats, so this whole section right here would be a function, but the 4 right here on the x-axis and the 5 also repeat, so that's what makes it a non-function. So this represents a non-function because this one just goes straight across, they all go straight across, and the x doesn't go to the same number, it just stays where these numbers go. Now right here it shows a non-function because the 5 goes to 7 and 4, and so that makes it a non-function. And then this represents a function and non-function because this doesn't cross against the x-axis, but this one does. So that represents a non-function. For the graph, the line doesn't cross the x-axis, and if it does, that means it's a non-function, but if it doesn't, that means it's a function. And then we had a question, so this represents either a function or a non-function. I wonder what you guys think it is. So can you guys tell if it's a function or not?